For over 60 years, L&H has been a cornerstone of the planet's most critical industries. With over 500,000 square feet of world-class facilities, our capabilities set us apart, from the drawing table to the field. Our team is dedicated to solving your toughest challenges so you can keep the world moving forward. Our shop in Sheridan, Wyoming specializes in precision machining, fabrication, and hydraulic components with integrated industrial hard chrome plating and advanced testing capabilities. Our 7-axis machining center allows us to create complex, highly detailed, and precise parts in a single setup, resulting in higher dimensional accuracy and tolerances, along with better surface quality, speed, and efficiency. Few hydraulic manufacturers offer in-house industrial hard chrome plating, but L&H specializes in it. Our Sheridan shop can handle even the largest of cylinders, making your process one call instead of two. We also house our own Induction hardening technology for swift and streamlined wear resistance on part surfaces. Our electric method is faster than traditional furnace hardening, while giving us precise control over a part's hardness through consistency and depth control. This method is proven to improve your part performance. Our horizontal mill allows for versatility in one machine. The automated system maximizes throughput, allowing us to accomplish every step of the process in a single machine. With an 11,000-pound table capacity, it handles large components for precise and rapid milling. Quality control is our driving force. Sheridan's assembly and testing facility ensures no particles or contaminants are present in your parts. Here, we're able to review every inch of your product while testing assembled cylinders up to 5,000 psi. This commitment is carried throughout with laser tracking and the latest portable equipment. Sheridan is only one shop in our global network of premier design and engineering, world-class manufacturing and repair, the latest in monitoring and controls, and around-the-clock field services that truly make L&H your one-stop shop. It's our goal to bring you honestly better solutions that deliver honestly better results. So let's get to it.